Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two interesting words for you to learn, so let's get started. First up, we have cajole. Cajole. So what does cajole mean? Well, cajole is a verb that means to persuade someone to do something by flattery or gentle urging. In other words, it's about using kind words and tactics to get someone to do what you want. Imagine you want to go to a party, but your friend isn't sure if they want to come. You could try to cajole them into coming by saying things like, "It's going to be so much fun," or "We always have a great time together." Here is a sentence example. The father tried to cajole his daughter into eating vegetables by making funny faces and singing silly songs. Next, we have putative. Putative. Putative is a word that's often used in academic and scientific contexts. Putative means supposed or considered to be, but not necessarily proven. It's like making an educated guess, but not 100% sure. Imagine you're trying to solve a mystery and you come up with a theory that you think is the explanation, but you haven't quite confirmed it yet. That's where the word putative comes in. You can say that your explanation is your putative solution. Here is a sentence example. The putative cause of the fire was electrical malfunction. In this sentence, the word putative means that the cause of the fire is assumed to be electrical malfunction, but it hasn't been officially confirmed yet. And that's it for this episode of Words Well Read. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and practice these words. Join us next time for more fun lessons. Bye for now.